Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Updates. We just released some exciting new improvements across the IDE, ODC Studio, and the platform itself. Today, I'm happy to share more details about those updates, so let's dive in. As we continue our agentic journey, I'm happy to share a major step forward: the test agent in ODC Studio. From now on, after publishing your agent, you can simply hit Test Agents, and ODC will create a test application for you to try out your agent. With this new feature, developers can easily go from building to testing their agents. Next up, workflows. If you are building complex processes using ODC, I have good news for you. You can now reuse an activity or a group of activities within the same workflow. This helps reduce duplication and makes updates a lot easier. When it comes to security, we've made a significant improvement as well. ODC now supports SMTP OAuth, a modern and secure way to authenticate your email servers. With SMTP OAuth, only authorized apps or users can send messages. This is a huge boost in security for outbound communications. And last but not least, we keep expanding ODC to new regions. I'm happy to share that ODC is now available in the Ireland region. This allows organizations to build and deploy apps closer to their users with reduced latency and full support for local data requirements. And that's it for today. All these updates are ready for you to explore. As always, let us know your favorite update in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.